Hey guys, welcome to Test Multimedia. I'm Kritika Balakonda, and today we are going to be dividing with remainders. Our objective for today is understanding how to divide with remainders. Some key points are always line your numbers up like they're lined up here, and the R that's highlighted right over here, it represents remainder. Let's get started. Our first problem is 37 divided by 4. What we want to do first is we just want to write our problem down. Now that we have a problem written down, we just want to see first if 4 can go into 3. 4 cannot go into 3 because 3 is smaller than 4. So what we want to do is we just want to write a 0 on top of the 3. So we're just going to write a 0 up here. We just want to subtract 0 from 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now we just want to bring down the 7 next to the 3. So we're just going to bring it down. And now we have 37. The next step is to see how many times 4 can go into 37. 4 can go into 37 9 times. So we're just going to write a 9 up here. We're going to see what 4 times 9 is. 4 times 9 is 36. 37 minus 36 is 1. So we're just going to subtract 36 from 37. And our answer, it's 1, the answer. Now all we're going to do is we're going to write an R up here. Next to the R, we're just going to write our leftover number. A remainder is basically a number that the number cannot go into. So a remainder is a number that the divisor cannot go into. Our answer is 9 with a remainder 1. So we're just going to write 9 with a remainder 1. Let's go to our next question. So our second question is 54 divided by 4. Again, we just want to write it down first. So now that we have our problem written down, we just want to see how many times 4 can go into 5. 4 can go into 5 one time. So we're just going to write a 1 up here. And we're going to subtract 4 from 5 because 4 times 1 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we just want to bring down. So we're just going to bring it down. We're going to bring down the 4. And now it's a 14. We have 14. How many times can 4 go into 14? Well, 4 can go into 14 3 times. So we're just going to write a 3 up here. 4 times 3 is 12. So we just want to subtract 12 from 14. 14 minus 12 is 2. So our remainder is 2. So all we're going to do is write an R up here and a 2 next to the R. So our answer is 13 with a remainder 2. So we're just going to type in our answer, 13 with a remainder 2. Let's go to the next question. Our third question is 57 divided by 6. So again, we're just going to write down our problem. Now that we have our problem written, we just want to see how many times 6 can go into 5. 6 cannot go into 5 because 5 is smaller than 6. So we're going to just write a 0 up here. And we're going to subtract 0 from 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now we just want to bring down the 7. So we're just going to bring it down. And the 7, when it's brought down, makes the number 57. How many times can 6 go into 57? Well, 6 can go into 57 9 times. So we're just going to write a 9 up here. 6 times 9 is 54. So we just want to subtract 54 from 57. 57 minus 54 is 3. So 6 cannot go into 3. So that would be our remainder. We're just going to write an R up here. And next to the R, we're going to have a 3. Now let's just type in our answer. Our answer is 9 with the remainder 3. Let's go to the next question. Our fourth question is 17 divided by 3. So we're just going to write the question down. Now that we have a problem written down, we just want to see how many times 3 can go into 1. 3 cannot go into 1 because 1 is smaller than 3. So we would just write a 0 up here. And we want to subtract 0 from 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now we just want to bring down the 17. So we're just going to bring it down next to the 1. Now the number is 17. How many times can 3 go into 17? 3 can go into 17 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. So we're just going to write a 5 up here. We're going to subtract 15 from 17. 17 minus 15 is 2. So our remainder is 2. We can tell 2 is our remainder because 3 cannot go into 2. So that means we can't divide any further. Now we're just going to write an R up here and write a 2 next to the R. Now we're just going to type in our answer. Our answer is 5 with a remainder 2. 5 with a remainder 2. This is our last problem. Question 5. Question 5 is 480 divided by 9. It's a harder problem. It's more complicated. But if you got the hang of those problems, this is going to be, you can do this too. So we're just going to write 480 divided by 9. We're going to write our problem down. Now we have our problem written down. Now all we want to do is see how many times 5 can go into 4. 5 cannot go into 4 because 4 is smaller than 5. So we're just going to write a 0 up here and subtract 0 from 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now we just want to pull down the 8. So we're going to bring it down. And that makes the 4 48. How many times can 5 go into 48? Well, 5 can go into 48 9 times. So we're going to write a 9 up here. 5 times 9 is 45. So we're going to subtract 45 from 48. 48 minus 45 is 3. So our remainder would be 3. Again, we can tell 3 is our remainder because 5 cannot be divided by 3. And we can't divide any number any further. So now we're just going to write an R up here. We're going to write a 3 next to the R. So our answer is 9 with a remainder 3. 9 with the remainder 3. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SS Multimedia. Bye!